All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a Kershaw 50 years, 50th anniversary tilt edition. It's a limited edition and comes with a fancy box. It's made in US. This is the certificate of authenticity with a serial number right over there. You get the knife, you get Kershaw since 1974, and you get a little bit of writing over here because this is a legendary edition for this knife. There you have it. It's a pretty interesting one. Let's check the size first, because this is not a small knife. You have a straight edge 9 centimeters, but the blade would be 10.5. The all length of the handle would be 14.5, with an overall deployed length of 24 centimeters. So this is a big boy, because you get to see next to a small Sebenza 21 and a large 21, both in mammoth, yes, but both way smaller than that. I got another couple that I want to show you right over here. I got a neon from Chicago and a Stellaris, same size of the Stellar. Again, very small compared to that. And I got an Astrum, which is full-size knife still, smaller than that. But just to give you an idea of, like, for example, closed size, just to show you these two guys. Look at this. Like, very, very different in size. But check out how much of the blade Shirogorov was able to pack. Let's do like this. So heel to heel, right? Like that, and boom. You have massive extra amount. But anyways, we are not here to talk about the Astrum. We are here to talk about the tilt. Huge shout out to my buddy Tim for letting me check this bad boy out. Titanium micro milled premium carbon fiber inlay, I would say, which wraps around the back. Very clever construction. Look at that. Hidden hardware on the show side. Pretty cool Cybertruck kind of looking knife. Titanium carbon fiber. I would say it's one of my favorite combo. I even got, where is it? This other guy right over here. Another phenomenal carbon fiber and titanium knife. Really, really good. Beautiful matching materials. I think carbon fiber is meant to be married with titanium. And we got pretty cool example right over here, because this marriage is just made in heaven. Beautiful contrast. You have light and light, metal and composite. I mean, it's carbon fiber and titanium that will get my preferred vote. Laser engraved on the spine. 74, 24, 50 years. Love this detail going on the back of the knife. You have a spacer which stops right there and then keeps going right there, wraps around. The blade is off center. I'm going to try to actually fix that, maybe in real time. I'm just going to see if this is the... No. I'm just going to do it with you guys. Let's see. Yeah, we got this thing, which should do the trick. No, it doesn't. No, I think I would just have to disassemble and look it more carefully. I thought it was just a case of a loose pivot, which is not. A little bit off center, but anyways, we got a Warncliffe blade, and look at the lines. I mean, super straight right from the spine. There's no jimping. You have a little bit of chamfering, kind of crowning, which is cool. Starts over there and gets into the disappearing realm up to here, whereas then starts again. Look at that. Right over here, and boom, and disappears gradually going toward the tip. You have, as you can see, like a dual steel. You have a crewware, and I believe the other steel is 148. Forgot, to be honest. But you have obviously this tapering line that from the carbon fiber gets down to this DLC, I believe. Can check it out up close. Serial number 289. You get to see, look at that, that's pretty cool. Stainless steel lock face insert. It's screwed in from the outside but covered by the carbon fiber. You get a screw going on here, hidden on the show side. Hidden screw for the pocket clip. You get 3 screws holding the inset lock, subframe lock. Let's call it like that, not inset. This is a subframe, kind of like the Quantum would be. You know, you have a chunk detached from the actual frame, secured with 3 screws right over there. You have 2 for the stainless steel lock face insert. This thing is running on bearings. Flipper tab is not jimped at all. It is a big knife for sure. Action is really good, I have to say. Of course, on bearings, you have a drop shot action for sure. It kind of lingers there, but as soon as you just wiggle a little bit, it goes down. So nicely executed. You can actually appreciate the stop pin right over there. Nicely done, I have to say. Rounded off flipper tab. You get this portion of the spacer protecting the heel of the blade. Massive finger choil. You can actually maybe fit 2 fingers right there. Chamfered. Comfy, perfect for sharpening. It's gonna remove a lot of cutting edge, this massive finger choil and finger guard kind of here, but it gets very comfy in the hand, also for an advanced grip. Yeah, it works. There's no jimping right over here, as I said. Warncliffe blade. You want to check the stock thickness on this bad boy, which is 3.8 millimeter right behind the edge. This thing is 0.66. Not too bad. Nicely done. Beautiful finish for the blade. Nice and matte. I would say kind of like looks like a Zir Blast kind of finish. Shiny on the titanium. Looking good. The pocket clip is a little bit stiff but works. It's nicely milled. As like there's no rounded like 3D curved parts. These are flat, angled, machined. I mean, not like 3D like that, but to a nice degree. I understand this might not be for everyone because it's a big boy. It's expensive to be, I mean, for a Kershaw. It's not for everyone because of the design is polarizing, I've heard. And it's a big boy. That's the main thing. I mean, this is a small Sebenza. So, yeah, it's a big boy. It's also quite loud. That's a huge clack and clink and clack and clink. But this is very pleasant in the hand when you close it. It might be loud, but when you do that, ooh, it's gonna make you happy. Action is really, really good on bearings. You have titanium, you have crewware, you have carbon fiber. It feels great in the hand. I have no complaints whatsoever. You have enough space, you see, to access the lock bar. You get a stainless steel lock face insert. It's a little bit off center, but nothing too crazy. I mean, yeah, just a little tad, so not too bad. And also, you might be wondering how much this thing is gonna weigh. Let's find out right now. Look at this. I got a scale going on. It's sleek. I love the hidden hardware on the show side. You get 164.1 grams, which is 5.79 ounces. Yes, it is not a light knife, but it's massive. It's big. You do not have any internal skeletonization. That's why you have a titanium full-size back spacer and you have massive handles. So that's why this adds up. But overall, I think you're gonna be happy. This is an iconic one. It's celebrating 50 years of Kershaw knife designing and knife making, and it has done the job with this futuristic version of this revamped, legendary, I would say, tilt model. So this is very stylish, unique. The composite blade is a nice feature. I love titanium and carbon fiber. These lines are great. I understand it's not for everyone, but there it is. That's the Kershaw Tilt 50th anniversary, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.